Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your speaker Creative Muvo Play. You can increase the volume by pressing plus button and just press it one time and it increases the volume. And the same with the minus button, just press it one time to lower the volume. Now, if you press and hold plus button you will play next track. And if you press and hold minus button, you will play previous track. Also you have a play pause button, so just click one time to pause the song and click again to play a song. And I'm just playing a song. Also, if you press 2 times on your play pause button, you will call your assistant. I have iOS device right now, so I call Siri, but if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So 1, 2, and as you can see, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.